Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to my another vlog. अब चाहिँ हामी यता Ganga river मा जाँदैछौँ. We are now going to Ganga river to see sun rising. हामी 3 जना छौँ. अनि Ganga river बाट चाहिँ एकदम राम्रो देख्छ. अब चाहिँ हामी यता आइपुग्यौँ. हो चाहिँ राजघाट रहेछ. तता रहेछ. अन्त निमास्यारोद मासिने. निमास्यारोद फैन के. शरायमा. कमा खासे म त म ngapju ngatu रहेछ. अहिले चाहिँ हामी यता आइपुगिसक्यो यता गङ्गा नदीमा. अनि अहिले चाहिँ सुनसान छ. बिहानको बेला एकदमै राम्रो शान्ति रहेछ. यहाँको ठाउँ एकदमै शान्ति एकदम राम्रो लाग्यो मलाई. स्पेसली बिहान आउँदा एकदम राम्रो छ यहाँ बिहानको. सूर्य उदाउन लाग्यो. The Ganges is the major river in the Indian subcontinent, flowing through India and Bangladesh. It is one of the most sacred rivers in Hinduism and is worshipped as the goddess Ganga.
हाँ जाइए लाइफ जैकेट पहन लीजिएगा. ओके
The sunrise over the Ganges river is considered to be a sacred and spiritual experience by many Hindus. It is believed that taking a dip in the river during the early hours of the morning at the time of sunrise can purify one's body and soul. Many people gather on the banks of the Ganges to witness the sunrise, especially in the cities of Varanasi and Haridwar, which are considered to be among the holiest cities in Hinduism. The ghats or steps leading down to the river are crowded with people performing various religious rituals and prayers. As the sun rises over the river, the water appears to come alive with the reflection of the golden rays of sunlight. The sight is often accompanied by the sounds of hymns and chants, creating a serene and peaceful atmosphere. Watching the sunrise over the Ganges is not only a spiritual experience, but also a visual and cultural spectacle. It is an opportunity to witness the deep devotion and faith of the Indian people towards their religion and their natural surroundings. Overall, both the sunrise and sunset over the Ganges River are deeply connected to the religious beliefs and cultural traditions of the Indian people. They offer a unique and profound experience that cannot be found anywhere else in the world. The best time to see the sunrise over the Ganges river is during the winter months from November to February. During this time, the weather is pleasant and the skies are usually clear, providing an unobstructed view of the sunrise.
जुन तपाईले यता देख्नु भएको छ यहाँ चाहिँ लासहरु जलाउने ठाउँ चाहिँ यता हो
Overall, the winter months provide the best opportunity to witness the sunrise over the Ganges River, offering a unique and unforgettable experience.
अभी नहीं जाना ब्रदर अच्छा भ्रमण चाहिँ राम्रो भयो मौसम नै हरा हरा गंगा
वो मच्छी दाल करना के ले लो अच्छा मछली में आई
나는 그래 가서 들어가면 얘만 찍 말아가지고 들어와
Dayung dorang garis na
같이 나와나는데 너희들 되니 아까운지만 들더라
Aduh, Barat, ayo bangnya. Saya tadi ya, mana memang lagi.
पेन त होइन
ले राम्रो छ
राम्रो छ
मन परे त लियो नपरे त नलियो 1000 में 3टा 1200 में 3टा 1500 में 3टा एउटा हेरो कम्पनी हेरो
1200 मा दिँदा पाउँछ
1500 में 3टा एउटा 1800 में 3टा एउटा राम्रो दुकान छ एउटा कम्पनी हेरो राम्रो मन परे त लियो नपरे त नलियो
नेपाली देखो कहाँ देखो हाँ बुझ्छ यहाँ का है अच्छा अच्छा बनारस का साड़ी बहुत फेमस है ना खाना खाना लागि काले यार काले दो दादी ले सो से लागो छे हां दुगी से लागो छे आ मेन या को मिन दो हां छेसो ल गाइस अब चाहिँ हामी यता आइपुग्यो आजको दिन चाहिँ एकदमै राम्रो भयो रमाइलो भयो बिहानदेखि अब भर्खर हामी यता आइपुग्यो हामी बस्ने ठाउँमा है फेरि अर्को भ्लगमा भेटौँला